Coal and petroleum are fossil fuels that are non-renewable sources of energy. It means they are going to finish sooner or later. These fossil fuels were formed hundreds of millions of years ago as a result of the action, heat, and pressure on the decayed and buried plants on the swampy area of Earth. In fact, this is a continuous process. There are still many areas on the Earth where decay and buried of plants may over a millions of years lead to the formation of more coal and petroleum. Humans use coal as a major source of energy. In fact, 37% of world's electricity is produced using coal. This is also because coal is cheaper compared to other fuels. Petroleum is mostly used as a fuel to run the vehicles. However, these fossil fuels also have some disadvantages. They contain carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur. When these are burnt by oxygen present in the atmosphere, they turn into carbon dioxide, water, oxides of nitrogen, and sulfur. And when they are burnt with less oxygen, carbon monoxide is formed. Now, a lot of these gases are poisonous at high concentration. Also, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which contributes to global warming. Therefore, it is important to use coal and petroleum reserves carefully. We can make a habit of recycling and reusing of things like plastic bags, bottles, jars, etc. We can reduce our consumption of electricity by switch off the lights, fans, and other electrical appliances when we are not using them. We can change the light bulbs to CFL bulbs to save the energy used at home. We can reduce fuel consumption by taking a bus, cycling, or walking. We can plant trees to help give back what we are taking from the environment. Finally, we can also share our knowledge about energy consumption to create social awareness.